Now, thankfully, millions of Israelis have been vaccinated, but billions more vaccinations are needed both for Israel and for the rest of the world. Israeli Pharma, therefore, getting involved in the production efforts. Israeli pharmaceutical company Teva, the world's largest generic drug manufacturer, is now looking to help in producing life-saving coronavirus vaccines. Teva CEO Kari Schultz explaining that major vaccine developers had approached Teva at the same time that Teva was reaching out to them. And while no companies have been named and no agreements revealed, Schultz is saying that the company feels positive about making a contribution. Teva having already partnered in Israel's world-leading COVID vaccine distribution.
We're very proud to be the partners taking care of all the logistics with the vaccines in Israel. So we pick them up in the airport, take them to our big logistics center, and then we sort of change the packs so that the pack sizes matches the needs in any of the 400 vaccination centers around Israel, and then we make sure that the right quantity gets to the right center at the right time. So this has been an extremely exciting time in Israel.
It's estimated that 11 of Teva's 61 global manufacturing sites will be divested towards vaccine production. But Israel also still battling a seemingly growing trend of refusing to get the vaccine jab. Health authorities then releasing new details on restrictions for unvaccinated individuals, particularly by barring or limiting unvaccinated Israelis from access to leisure activities as they open from nationwide lockdowns. Things like going to gyms, cafes, restaurants, cultural and sporting events, and more. Health Minister Yuli Edelstein outlining a green pass system where vaccinated citizens can prove themselves through an official government-issued app. And over 2 million Israelis are already eligible for these green passes, while non-vaccinated Israelis will in the meantime be able to use the app to display results of a negative COVID test for up to 72 hours after the test is taken.